Greetings and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Alchemy here on Magic Witch TV. I am Mercury, and today we'll be talking about invocation. Before we begin, I just want to thank you for coming to this video, coming to this lecture, and listening. I really value your commitment to the journey, and I thank you. Now let's get into it. Invocation is like a magical phone call. We summon energies and entities from spiritual realms to help us with specific tasks or goals. It's a powerful tool where we can call upon divine beings, elemental forces, or other entities to assist us in our endeavors. In this lecture, we'll explore what invocation is, why it's important, and the different types of energies or entities that can be summoned. Understanding invocation is crucial. We have to understand how it works to use it right. It's all about setting intentions and using rituals or ceremonies to call forth these entities or energies. There are various techniques or methods involved, such as chanting, visualization, or creating a sacred space. However, it's essential to be aware of the risk and considerations associated with invocation, as summoning energies or entities can have both positive and negative effects. There are different types of invocation depending on what we're summoning. We can invoke deities, gods, or goddesses from various mythologies, tapping into, their divine qualities and wisdom. Additionally, we can call upon elemental energies like earth, air, fire, water, or spirit to aid us in our magical work. We can invoke spiritual guides, ancestors, or other deities or other entities who have knowledge or skills that we seek to use. Two main types of invocations that are most common would be one, invocation of deities. This type of invocation involves summoning and inviting the presence of specific gods, goddesses, or divine beings from various mythologies and spiritual traditions. We may call upon deities for guidance, protection, blessings, or any type of assistance in various aspects of life. Invocation of deities often involves rituals, prayers, chants, offerings, or sacred ceremonies dedicated to honoring and connecting with these divine entities. The purpose of invoking deities is to establish a spiritual connection, to seek their wisdom, and to receive their blessings to aid in spiritual growth, manifestation, or personal development. Invocation of elemental energies, which is, another option. This type of invocation involves summoning and channeling the energies of the natural elements, which are earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. Each element is associated with specific qualities, attributes, and energies that can be harnessed for magical purposes. We may invoke elemental energies to bring balance, protection, healing, or manifestation into our lives. Invocation of elemental energies often involves rituals, visualization, meditation, or symbolic representations to invoke the essence of each element and integrate its power into our spiritual practice. The purpose of invoking elemental energies is to align with natural forces of the universe, connect with the elements' inherent wisdom, and harmonize with the rhythms of nature for spiritual empowerment and transformation. Invocation can be incorporated into rituals, ceremonies, or personal practices to enhance their effectiveness. Okay, so you can basically use it however you want, however you feel it needs to be. No one can control or tell you when and where to use what. It's really up to you. For example, we might invoke a deity for protection, for guidance, or blessings during a ritual. In personal practices, we can use invocation to connect with specific energies or entities for our own personal healing, personal manifestation, and our own spiritual growth. However, it's essential to approach invocation with respect, responsibility, and ethical considerations in mind. The most important thing I can say right now is the importance of showing gratitude to the deity after a wish has been fulfilled. It's of the utmost importance in many spiritual and magical traditions. It's like saying thank you for receiving a gift. It acknowledges the divine assistance and energy that contributed to the manifestation of the wish, and failure to express gratitude can be seen as disrespectful and unappreciative. This could potentially set off the deity or divine forces involved. Gratitude is not only a sign of respect, but also a way to maintain harmonious relationships with the divine. By showing appreciation for blessings received, we demonstrate humility and acknowledge our dependence on higher powers. In essence, gratitude is a key component of spiritual practice, fostering a sense of connection, humility, and reciprocity with the divine. Failure to demonstrate respect and gratitude when invoking energies can lead to unpleasant consequences. Without respect, we risk disrupting the balance and harmony of the spiritual realms, potentially causing discord or offense to the energies being summoned. Disregarding the sacredness of the energies can result in a lack of cooperation or reluctance to assist us in our endeavors. Additionally, neglecting to express gratitude for the guidance and blessings received may lead to a weakening of the connection with the energies, diminishing their willingness to interact with us in the future. Ultimately, without these essential qualities, our attempts to invoke energies may be met with resistance, setbacks, or even unintended consequences. Highlighting the importance of honoring and appreciating the spiritual forces we seek to engage with is of crucial importance. So please, in your gestures and your offerings, always be symbolically or literally saying thank you. Let's continue to unlock the power of invocation and tap into the magic of our spiritual realm. Please subscribe if you already haven't. Please hit the like on the video so we can keep going. And, please connect and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on invocation, rituals, and spiritual practices. Join our community of seekers and let's explore the wonders of the unseen world together. Don't miss out on the opportunity to deepen your spiritual journey and expand your magical abilities with us together. Subscribe now and let's embark on a magical adventure. Stay blessed.